Number 10, the Guanghan Bronze Mask. In 1986, construction workers near Guanghan stumbled upon an archaeological impossibility. They were digging a drainage ditch when their shovels struck buried jade and bronze. This site, now known as Sanxingdui, defied every established timeline for Chinese civilization. Workers uncovered massive bronze masks with bulging tube-like eyes and wide, supernatural ears. These artifacts were not merely decorative objects from a local tomb. They represented a culture that seemingly emerged fully formed without clear developmental predecessors. Historians were baffled by the sheer technical sophistication of the casting process. The alloy composition indicated a mastery of metallurgy that predates the supposed introduction of such technologies in the region. Scientists tested the trace elements and found unique ratios not seen in other contemporary sites. This location forces us to re-evaluate the isolation of early human cultures. Perhaps our understanding of ancient communication networks is fundamentally flawed. These bronze figures look nothing like the traditional depictions of ancient Chinese royalty. Some researchers suggest these represent a non-human influence or a lost technological tradition. The scale of the site suggests a city that housed thousands of citizens. Yet, the people who crafted these masks left no written records behind. Why would a culture invest so much effort into creating such distinct imagery? The mystery deepens when we compare these to other global anomalies. Each bronze mask weighs heavily on the timeline we have been taught in schools. We are looking at a masterclass in metalworking that shouldn't have been possible. The lack of transitional artifacts makes the sudden appearance of Sanxingdui even more startling. It is as if the culture appeared, thrived, and then vanished into the earth. Modern scholars are still debating the origin of the casting techniques used here. Some argue the high lead content suggests a local innovation. Others look for links to distant civilizations across the sea. The truth remains buried in the soil of the Sichuan province. We must consider that history is not a straight line of gradual progress. It is a series of fits, starts, and inexplicable leaps of genius. The masks remain silent witnesses to a forgotten narrative. They stare at us with unblinking eyes, challenging our assumptions about our own heritage. Each detail on the mask serves a purpose we have yet to decode. We see the precision in every groove and every curve of the metal. This was not a primitive society by any definition. Their influence was likely widespread, yet they remained hidden from the annals of history for millennia. As we look at these relics, we must prepare to rewrite the history of the ancient world. The masks are the first clue in a much larger puzzle. Their discovery continues to drive intense debates in the archaeological community today. We are only just beginning to grasp the complexity of the Sanxingdui culture. Each artifact tells the story of a world we thought we knew. The shadows of these masks cast doubt on everything we have been told about human development. It is time to look beyond the surface of the bronzes. We are dealing with a paradigm shift in our understanding of the ancient East. The future of this research holds even more surprises. We continue to uncover artifacts that defy simple explanation. Every site like Sanxingdui is a reminder of our limited knowledge. History remains a work in progress.